When disaster or worse, a long-term SHTF situation finally does happen, certain items are going to fly off the shelves as people scramble to secure their survival essentials. These crucial supplies tend to vanish first, leaving the unprepared in a lurch. Making sure that you have all these items beforehand can make all the difference in an emergency. Generators, of course, these are vital for backup power. Charcoal and lighter fluid, these are essential for cooking. Thermal underwear and polypropylene, this of course keeps you warm. Camp stove fuel, because again, cooking fuel is essential. Tuna fish in oil, it's high protein and it's shelf stable. Hand pumps and siphons for fuel and water transfer. Portable toilets to provide sanitation when plumbing fails. Knives and sharpening tools. These are critical for food prep and for defense. Propane cook stoves. These are efficient, portable cooking solutions. Vitamins to maintain health and nutrition. Work boots, belts, jeans, and durable shirts. You need rugged, essential clothing. Candles to provide light when the power is out. Washboards, a mop bucket with a wringer to hand wash clothes. Seasoned firewood, a heat and cooking source. Big dogs and plenty of pet food, security and companionship. Baby supplies like diapers and formula, which is critical for infant care. Bleach for disinfecting and for water purification. A non-electric grain grinder. This is essential for processing grains. Water filters and purifiers, because obviously clean water is crucial. You need long-lasting food staples, rice, beans, and wheat. Backpacks and duffel bags to transport and for storage. Essential for treating injuries, you need a first aid kit. Fishing supplies and tools. That way you can catch food when supplies run low. Matches to start fires easily. Garbage bags for sanitation and for waste management. Powdered and condensed milk as a dairy substitute. Light sources like flashlights, light sticks, torches, and lanterns. Reading glasses for those with vision needs. Of course, you need duct tape. It's versatile for repairs. Soap, shampoo, toothbrush, toothpaste, all those hygiene essentials. You need cast iron cookware because it's extremely durable. For entertainment and morale, get some board games, cards, and dice. Goat chickens to provide milk, meat, and eggs. Plastic and metal gas containers for fuel storage. For repairs, you're going to need screen patches, glue, nails, screws, nuts, and bolts. Cigarettes for barter or personal use. Rain gear and rubberized boots to stay dry in wet conditions. To preserve food, you're going to need canning supplies, jars, lids, and wax. Mouse traps, ant traps, bug spray, and cockroach magnets for pest control. A battery-powered carbon monoxide alarm. Also, mosquito coils and repellent, sprays, and creams. Extra clothing like socks, underwear, and t-shirts. Honey, syrups, white and brown sugar as sweeteners. Water containers to store and to transport water. Disposable supplies like paper plates, cups, and utensils. Non-hybrid, non-GMO garden seeds. Non-GMO herbal seeds to grow your own seasonings and your own medicine. Plastic garbage cans for waste storage and management. Guns, ammunition, pepper spray, and knives. A mini heater head, which is a propane heater accessory. Lamp oil and wicks for your light sources. Baby wipes, oils, waterless and antibacterial soap. Fire extinguishers and fire blankets. Aluminum foil for cooking and storage. Paraffin wax. Garden tools and supplies. Sleeping bags and blankets, pillows, and mats. Tarps, stakes, twine, nails, rope, and spikes for shelter and repairs. Gloves for work, warming, and gardening. Hand can openers, hand egg beaters, whisks, any non-electric kitchen tools. Survival guide and other books for essential knowledge. A must-have coffee. writing paper, pads, pencils, even a solar calculator, communication and calculations. Liquor for medicinal purposes and for bartering. A cooking essential, vegetable oil. In the event of a disaster or the SHTF situation we know is coming, quick action is crucial to secure the essentials that will ensure your survival in the long term. This list of items, often overlooked until it's too late, are vital for staying safe, healthy, and prepared during any crisis. By planning ahead and stockpiling these critical supplies, you can face emergencies with confidence and resilience.